Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn the welcome lights on your Corsa D because I couldn't find it anywhere online that's just to the point. So here it is. It's pretty simple. Let's get into it. So what you want to do is hold both the stalks on either side of the wheel back. You'll hear a beep after about 4 seconds. Once that happens, a menu will pop up in the tiny little screen in the center. When that pops up, you want to use the right stalk to turn P1 on, and that's your welcome lights. Once you've put P1 on, you want to hold both the stalks again until you hear the beep and it saves what you've put in. Then when you press your unlock button on your keys, all your lights will come on and you'll have welcome lights on. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and yeah, I'll see you next time.